Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Do you want to learn how to create a professional table of content in Google Docs? Whether it's for a report easily or project. I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. I have prepared a file in advance so I can quickly demonstrate how to create a table of contents. First, convert your text into heading. To do this, click on normal text, then select heading on for your source text. Click on insert for the menu. At the bottom of the up down, you will see table of content. Click on it and choose a style. Your table of contents will now be created automatically. And that's how you can easily create a table of content in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.